Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the device type unknown issue on Instagram. Sometimes you may receive a notification from Instagram saying that an unknown device has logged into your account. Alternatively, when you check your login activity in your account settings, you might see an entry labeled device type unknown. This usually isn't a major issue. It often happens when you log in from an older device. An emulator or a browser that Instagram can't properly identify, possibly because the device is outdated or doesn't have a recognizable model. If you see device type unknown and it concerns you, you can try logging out of that particular device from your login activity settings. If the unknown device listed is actually the one you're currently using, you can try logging out of Instagram on that device, clearing the app data, and logging in again. This may help resolve the issue. However, if you receive a notification about a login from a device you don't recognize and you're sure it wasn't you, it's best to log out of your account and immediately change your password. Go to the Change Password option and reset it for security. Hopefully, this explanation helps you understand and fix the device type unknown problem on Instagram. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.